Hello everyone, this is Sikitan from Cint Everycom Technology Limited Company. We focus on project more than 12 years. We have many advantages for OEM, ODM, and brand promotions. Our goal is to make all our world customers enjoy China high quality, high performance home video projectors. And our slogan is to say bigger, see clear. As we all know, Cubelite has always been our core product line for us. It started with orange Cubelite, then Cubelite Max, and now it's Cubelite Ultra.
Here's the thing about those vents. They're on the sides, so you gotta give this thing some space to breathe. Leave at least 30 centimeters, which is about a foot, of clearance all around it. Trust me, your projector will run way cooler. Oh, and the ports, yeah, same lineup. 2 USB, HDMI, aux, and Ethernet. If it ain't broke, right? So what's actually Ultra about it? Great question. All the magic happens inside. This thing's packing the HiSilicon V660 chipset. Let me break that down without the tech speak. The Max had 4 processor cores. The Ultra has 8. Think of it like doubling the horsepower. Everything runs smoother, apps load faster, and the whole system is just way more stable. Now gamers and sports fans, pay attention. This is where it gets good. The Ultra handles 4K at 60 frames per second. Plus, it's got MEMC motion compensation. What does that actually mean? Basically, fast-moving stuff like a basketball game or a racing game looks incredibly smooth. No stuttering, no motion blur, just buttery smooth action. Throw this about 10 feet from your wall and you're looking at a massive 110-inch screen. And the input lag, around 20 milliseconds. That's seriously impressive. Oh, almost forgot the lens upgrade. We put in a brand new lens, which means from the same distance, you get a bigger screen than the Max. Huge win if you're working with a smaller room. The interface has gotten a few tweaks, so think of this as your complete walkthrough. Yeah, it's gonna take a few minutes, but stick with me. You'll be a pro by the end. All right, grab your remote and press that settings button. The menu slides out from the left. First thing you'll see, Wi-Fi 6. This is about 3 times faster than the old Wi-Fi 5. My advice, if your router is nearby, connect to that 5 gigahertz band. You'll get smooth 4K streaming with 0 buffering. Now let's look at signal source. The coolest feature here is wireless display. Just tap the screen mirroring app, then on your laptop, hit Win+K, and boom, you're connected. No HDMI cable, no hassle. Super convenient. Okay, don't skip this next part if you have external speakers. CEC and ARC. Turn both of these on. CEC lets you control your sound system volume with the projector remote. No more juggling 2 remotes. And ARC pumps way better audio through just 1 cable. Game changer. Here's where it gets smart. The Ultra has automatic screen fit and auto keystone correction. Even if you set it up at a weird angle, it'll fix the image automatically. And if you turn on obstacle avoidance, it'll actually detect stuff in the way and adjust the screen around it. Pretty clever. Mounting this on the ceiling? No problem. Just go into projection mode and it'll flip the image for you. It takes like 2 seconds. This one's important, especially for you mountain folks. All right, now let's talk about actually watching stuff. While something's playing, press that button with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens up your quick menu, where you can switch audio tracks, turn on subtitles, or jump to a specific timestamp. And here's a pro tip. If your video supports it, flip on HDR and MEMC. Your picture quality and colors will look absolutely stunning. Last thing, getting apps on here. You've got 3 options. Option 1 is to use the built-in App Store. Easy and straightforward. Option 2 is the Google Play Store, just like your phone. Option 3 is for the tech-savvy folks. Download an APK file, put it on a USB drive, plug it in, and manually install whatever you want. Total freedom. And
That's the new Cubelite Ultra. A bigger brain, smoother picture, and smarter features. choose Cint or Cubelite Ultra, just leave the message here. We will give you faster replay. That's all. See you next time. Bye bye.